Hello, 你好，你们好吗？ Last lesson we learned a children's song like 1、2、3、4、5、6、7，我的朋友在哪里? Today we will learn how to use this 在. We put a 在 before the location words to say we are at somewhere. 在 it's like in English to be at, and then we don't need to say I am at, just 我在. 在 it's not a verb, it's only to show the location. I'd ask then how to show I am and I was. We cannot say I am and I was from this sentence, but we can put a time word at the beginning to show yesterday I was at somewhere, or today I am at somewhere. So 在 it's only before the location to say verb is do, wo. 在 is to show I am at here, my location is here. And once we say I go somewhere, we say 去. This Q make the chi sound, like always chi something, like a cheese. And this u suppose has two dot on it, so it's ü. And qi and ü, 去 force tone. And you can connect with in German once you say tschüss. It's really same pronunciation. It's ü, even in writing in u. So the ü with the qi together, the two dot, you couldn't see it. Anyway, let's compare. Once you want to say my location is in China, they say 我在中国. I want to go to China, we say 我去中国. See, 我去 somewhere, and 我在 somewhere. I am here. Remember we learned this one, we say 这个and once you see 个 at the end, it's this one for the things. And here's a word, 这里means here. It's more like this place inside. And in Taiwan or in Shanghai, in South China, people like to say 这里. So I am at here, we say 我在这里. Force tone, because you're confirming. 我在这里. People in North China, especially in Beijing, they don't say 这里, and they say 这儿. Sounds like a R at the end. I prefer 这儿 because, here in English, 这儿, it all has R sounds, so maybe for you it's easier. But for both, it's working in whole China. So once you say 我在这里, we understand. 我在这儿, we of course understand. And then when we need to say somewhere further, there, we say 那里 or the 那儿 and force tone. It's like 那里 or the 那儿这里那里这儿那儿 Then how would you say I go there? I go there. 我去那儿我去那儿我去那儿 So compare 我在那儿我去那儿 It's very clear. Once you say I'm at there, once I say I'm here but I go there, 我去那儿 How would you say I'm here? 我在这儿 So I go there. 我去那儿我去那儿 I am in Switzerland. 我在瑞士 So no matter I am or I am in, we just say 我在 somewhere. I go to Germany. 我去德国 In the sentence, either you say 我在 for your location or 我去 for where you go. And this 在 and 去 You don't say 我去在 because many people thought in English I go to, I go at. For us, 在 or the 去 is clear, so no need other things. How about I was in China? 我在中国. And then this sentence you cannot tell unless you put the time words there. Since the time words is important, let's learn some time words. 天. 天 means sky, but also means day. And in a way also can be a weather because it's all up there. And 天 is a measure word for himself. That means when we say one day, we don't say 一个天. So this one, please remember. One day, 一天. You may remember when we learn one, the tone is 一, right? But here, the tone changed into fourth tone. Yeah. The number one with the first tone. We like to say 一天 because sounds like very clear. Otherwise, 一天, it's not so sharp, right? In our language, normally once you learn the tone, we don't change the tone. But 一 and 不 sometimes change tones. But don't worry, you will get it one day. How would you say 2 days? 2天 or the 2天? As a 天 is a measure word, so we say 2天. 一天, 2天, 3天, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. And here, J-I-N, 今天, 今天 means today. And then 昨天, 昨天 means yesterday. So 今天 and 昨天 also in the middle there's no 个. So 今天昨天. How would you say today is good? 今天很好. That's it. Yesterday was good. 昨天很好. We don't need to say was. I was in Zug yesterday. 昨天我在 Zug. Clear enough, right? So 昨天, then you know it's in the past. 我在 Zug. 在 is not a verb, so no need any tense word. 昨天我在 Zug. Very clear. Last new word. 星期. 星期 means week. How would you say 1 week? 一个星期. Right, we need to add a measure word. And 2 weeks? 2个星期. So within time words, 天 is a measure word for himself, and then 星期 is a normal time words. Let's say this. 星期一. 星期 means week. What 星期一 means? The week first. That's Monday. That's how we say Tuesday. 星期二 or the 星期两. We say 星期二. Are you happy you will quickly remember all the weekdays in a second? So 星期一, the week number first, Monday. 星期二, the week number second, Tuesday. 星期三, Wednesday. 星期四, Thursday. 星期五, Friday. 星期六, Saturday. Until Saturday, we all use numbers. But on Sunday, we think it's a special day. So we say 星期天, literally means weekdays. Week of the real day, 星期天. Cannot remember yesterday, 昨天. Then you can say, 星期一我在 somewhere. 星期二我在 somewhere. 星期三我去 somewhere. 星期四我吃 something. 星期五我喝 something. 星期六我在 home. Home we say G-E-R, 家. You say I'm at home. 我在家. I'm not at home. 我不在家。不 with forced tone, we say 不在家。我不在家。I was not at home on Monday. 星期一我不在家。星期一我不在家。Start to be complicated, right? Let's practice in next video, practice more sentence, and then I will explain you the Chinese basic sentence structure. Today we learned quite a lot of new words, and let's make a revision. And when we say I'm at somewhere, we say 我在 somewhere. I go somewhere, 我去 somewhere. When we say day, we say 天. And when we say today, 今天, yesterday, 昨天. 星期 means week. And we can say 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, and 星期天, Sunday. And then 这儿 means here. 那儿 means there. 家 means home. Okay, more sentence next video. And keep learning. See you next time. 再见.